good evening. Ayan, mag-prepare ako ng aking salad. Onion at saka tomato, cucumber. Ngayon, maghihiwa ako ng cucumber. At syempre, meron akong fried fish. Ayan. Niluluto ko ba yung kanin ko? Huwa tayo ng kamatis. Sarap yung kamatis, guys. Ano? So, ito na, guys. Lagyan natin ng black pepper. Meron tayong black pepper. Ayan. Meron tayong Himala salt. Pang diet ko siya. Ayan. Meron tayong salt. Siyempre, lagyan natin ng olive oil. Cut ako ng ano. So, ayan guys, lagyan natin ng lemon. Ayan, meron tayong lemons guys. Thank you so much for watching and God bless. Siyempre, ito po yung olive oil na nagpapasarap sa kanya guys. Ayan, masarap na yung ating salad for today, our dinner. With fried fish. Ayan, thank you so much for watching and God bless. Love you guys. And paki-support po ang aking FB page, Ate Lori Jean Tanangkil. Thank you so much and God bless you all. Bye-bye. Love you.